Hi everyone, my name is Haider Ali. Today I'm going to talk about the our project, which is all about secure file encryption. Basically, how we can encrypt our file and how we can decrypt a file. Okay. So first of all, here is our the front end page of our project. Here we need to choose a file to encrypt. Choose a file. Here I already made a sample like file. You can make any of the file. Okay, I have made this file. I will choose this one and open, and I need to choose any of the password, anything. Here's the password and encrypt and download. Now if we want to open this file, we cannot open this. Why? Because this is encrypted now. Okay, and I can show you as well. If we go here, this is the file. We cannot open it. This is the old one. Okay, so we come back again. If we want to decrypt it now, and I want to see the that file, I will select the file again. Here is the one we encrypted, and the same password we used to do encryption. Decrypt and download. Now we can easily open this file to see what's inside the file. That was all our project, where we were supposed to make the project in the. We need to show encryption, how we can encrypt the file and how we can decrypt the file. Here is the code for this one. This is index.php, the front end page. All config.php, encrypt.php, decrypt.php, all the codes are here. So this is our project. Now if we talk about the PPT I have made, here the same thing I did over there. The same how we can do user select a file for encryption, as I select that file to encrypt. So after this I use password. So after using password, then what happened? Automatically secure key derivation is performed internally. What he did, internally the system creates a secure encryption key from the password. So after that, here is file. The next is file encrypted using authenticated encryption, and then encrypted file. Oh, sorry, encrypted file and metadata are generated. One encryption is completed, an encrypted file and its metadata are generated. After that, at this point, the original. Oh, sorry. After this, at this point, the original file content is no longer available, no longer readable, because accessed without the correct password. After that, then this ensures confidentiality and protection of sensitive data. That was all what I showed you before. The next is how can the what kind of attack scenario is possible. Okay, in this slide I will show what happens during different attacks situations. Okay, if someone tries to decrypt the file with the wrong password, the process fails safely. No sensitive information is leaked during this failure. Okay, the next is if the encrypted file is modified or tampered with, the system detects. Okay, this causes an integrity verification failure. If the authentication tag if the authentication tag is missing or corrupted, system automatically will be blocked. This proves that the system is secure against the different kind of attacks. So the next is what we learned from this project and how we can implement, how it can be best for us in the future. Okay. So the lesson we learned from this, we learned that encryption without integrity protection is not secure. Using secure default setting helps reduce user mistakes. Following the secure software development life cycle, what makes security decision easier. Okay, what's for the future improvement? We can use stronger key derivation method. We can also add hardware based key storage using TPM. Finally, adding better security logging and monitoring will help detect issues faster. So that was all from my side, and that was all of our project as well. Thank you, everyone.